Oh, bullshit! Bullshit! Oh, so you don't believe in the Constitution? Did you not swear an oath to the Constitution? She has a Fifth Amendment right and a Sixth Amendment right. What? Right? What do you say? Rights don't matter? Right means it is a requirement, as in you cannot take it away. What is she being arrested for? Bullshit! That's unlawful detainment. What the hell are you doing to a 12-year-old? What the hell are you doing to a 12-year-old?
A 12-year-old girl, handcuffed by police right in front of her parents. Her father pleads for her release, but the officer coldly says, her rights don't matter. This moment shocked everyone. Is this law enforcement or pure abuse of power? Watch until the end to see what really happened and tell me, who do you think was right here?
It's dead. What the hell? For some reason it's dead.
I'm Officer Willis with the Austin Police Department. We got called about a physical disturbance. People that witnessed y'all being physical with one another.
No.
Never happened.
No.
Is there any reason why someone would believe that y'all are being physical with one another?
Not that I can think of.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
What crime am I suspected of?
Excuse me?
Texas Penal Code 3802. What crime am I suspected of?
I'm not necessarily sure what you're asking me. I explained to you why we're here. We got a call about a physical disturbance between both of you.
No. There's no physical disturbance between us.
Okay. I'm just letting you know that's why we were called here.
Yes.
Okay. And what is your name and date of birth?
What am I being arrested for?
You're not arrested. You're just detained right now due to the call that we're here.
This is not a traffic stop. So, what am I being...
For service.
We didn't call you for service.
Someone else called about a physical
I don't...
between you guys.
Was it an anonymous call or who was the witness?
Yeah. Okay. So
What is your reasonable articulable suspicion?
You're not arrested. Again, you got
Texas Penal Code 38.02.
Yes, sir. I'm not sure why you keep repeating that. I'm explaining to you we are here
Because it's a state law regarding ID.
Okay.
So I should not have to. That don't matter.
Okay. Do you want to talk about the disturbance or not?
I told you there was no disturbance.
Okay. So I have to write a report. I need your name.
No, you don't.
Here for a lawful reason.
That don't mean jack diddly poop.
Maybe to you it doesn't.
Under the law, it doesn't, ma'am.
Are you a lawyer? Are you going to school for law?
I've had plenty of experience. I'm 49 years old, just turned 49.
So you realize
I'm a United States Navy veteran.
there are children in there?
Yes, we have a 12-year-old daughter.
Okay.
Almost 13.
Again, we were called here lawfully. We're on here for a call for service.
All for service means nothing.
She wants to see her, so I'm gonna grab movie and bring her somewhere.
Whatever.
Okay, I can think of this way. You and Ursula got into it out here because I was even as long as now. Ursula.
You walk back here with me. You walk to the back. You need to walk to the back.
She's 12 years old and she doesn't have to be questioned without the accompaniment of the parent.
There are some
She can have my mom. She can have her mom go back with her
Okay, that's fine.
if that's what she chooses. But if she does not choose to go back there with you, by law, she does not have to.
So we have the authority when people are being detained to put them where we want them for the safety of our, for the security of our investigation.
And what reasonable, articulable suspicion that you have that your safety is
Say safety as security of the investigation.
and you're talking kind of referring to Pennsylvania v. Mims, which refers to traffic stops, which is
referring to security of an investigation. We're going to come back here with you.
what about her personal security?
I don't know.
You're a male.
That's fine. Everything's on camera. It's fine.
That don't mean squat. Cops violate all the time on camera. Whoa! Whoa! Hughes, back off! Why are you arrested? What the hell are you doing?
He just wants to talk to them.
That don't... Willis? That is considered assault and battery, unwanted touching. And she is a minor. Ursula, unclench your fists.
I'll tell you what if we go to take the table where you can still see?
She doesn't want to leave the accompaniment of a parent. And you do not have the legal right to question a minor without the parents or a legal representative present.
So we can once you come out, you can do that.
Where's her lawyer? She has an attorney.
You need a lawyer right now.
Oh, bullshit. Bullshit.
Trying to make everything
It's called...
security.
Oh, so you don't believe in the Constitution. Did you not swear an oath to the Constitution? She has a Fifth Amendment right.
Right.
And a Sixth Amendment right. What? Right? What, you say rights don't matter?
That's not what I said. But she has a right, not a requirement. It's two different things.
Right means it is a requirement, as in you cannot take it away.
Okay. Right. So let's go off of that.
She has the right to refuse, Officer Hughes.
Does not.
What is she being arrested for? Bullshit, that's unlawful detainment. What the hell are you doing to a 12-year-old? What the hell are you doing to a 12-year-old? Seriously, she's 12. She's a minor. You are violating her rights. Get a supervisor on scene now. No, now. Release her. Get a supervisor. She can stand right there. She's not going anywhere.
You're the one that's disarming me. Why are you arresting me?
Bullshit, it's unlawful detainment. Unlawful detainment. What is your reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime? What crime? What crime? Peggy? Oh, 911 request a supervisor. Call your attorney now. They just put her in handcuffs. They're refusing to walk with them. Hughes put his hands on her. The male cop put his hands on her.
Two supervisors on the way, okay? Your daughter's not in any trouble. We just have to...
So why the hell did he put his hands on her?
We need to conduct our investigation. She wasn't being cooperative. We have to separate you.
That don't mean shit. We have the right to not be cooperative. It's called the right to remain silent. You know how many freaking oaths y'all are violating? How many constitutional rights? I thought Austin trained better than this. You're even violating the Eye Care Act, your policies. Yes, you are, Officer Willis.
Sir, again, we have supervisor coming that will speak to you, okay? And elaborate further. Okay.
And as a father, I will do what it takes to protect my child from unlawful hands from another man. You understand that, Hughes?
Yes, I do.
I have every right to self-defense and self-defense of a third party, such as my child. And you went hands-on.
Yes, I did.
You escalated.
Okay.
Did you take your escalation training, or did Officer Golden teach you how to be a cop?
Explain exactly what we needed from her and from you.
And we have the right not to talk to you. And
We
you...
didn't need. I wasn't asking for communication at that point.
Oh, you were just... So unlawful detainment and unlawful arrest. And then you assaulted and battered my daughter. And I've got it on recording. Yes. Excuse me if I stand at an angle that gets both you and Officer Will. Why do y'all have to escalate? Based upon an anonymous phone call.
I'm not going to get into the exact call that you got. So. You have a reliable witness, not even anonymous.
Oh, yeah? Oh, let me guess. She works for CPI, which means they're stalking us. In violation of a court order. CPS, CPI, Department of Children and Family Services.
I don't think that was our caller, but I don't know. Maybe.
Well, maybe you should verify who it is that called. And maybe you should find out exactly what the hell they supposedly allege we did. do a fucking investigation.
That's what we're in the middle of doing.
No. Harassing people is not investigating. Putting your hands on my daughter is not investigating. Security of an investigation.
Yes.
What the hell law is that?
What law is that?
Yeah, what law says you have a security to an investigation? Where's your warrant?
I don't need a warrant to.
In order to be able to detain and secure, as you say, you need a warrant.
I need a warrant to detain someone.
To arrest or upon probable cause of a crime, not, oh, security of an investigation. That is not a crime. What law is that? What crime does it become? Is that a felony? Is that a misdemeanor? Is that a traffic infraction? What is it, Officer Hughes?
I'm sorry, I've got other people talking in my ear at the same time, so it's difficult for me to talk to. We don't have a traffic infraction.
Obviously.
For required identification or whatever you were mentioning with that earlier. You're right, you're not required to ID. So I don't know what.
How long have y'all been on the force? Less than 6 months? Y'all are both behaving like you're fresh out of the academy.
Okay. So I've been here with APD for almost 2 years now, with a total of 7 years in law enforcement.
Oh, woohoo. Yeah, it's because you're improperly trained somewhere else.
Okay.
Why'd you leave your other department?
Because I got a better job here. There's no disciplinary actions if that's what you're trying to get at.
Were there any possibly pending? Did you leave in lieu of an investigation? Because the way you just put your hands on a 12-year-old female child, Officer Hughes, do you feel proud of yourself putting your hands on a 12-year-old female child like that? Just because she did not want to go off with you alone?
So it's never a good day when we have to put hands on people. I tried to give you.
Oh, so you think it's okay to put it on my daughter? Put your hands on my daughter?
Okay, in what sense?
Well, obviously you have a complex, sir.
I'm just trying to understand what you're saying.
That you think that you guys can put your hands on a female child. And you knew ahead of time she was a child, a minor. You didn't even give the opportunity to ask the mother if she would go as a witness. You immediately put your hands on her before she even had a chance to ask her mother.
So I even told her that.
Did you not listen to what the hell I was telling you before you put your hands on my daughter?
I heard everything that you were saying. You were trying.
Obviously not. I said maybe she'll go with her mother, and then but because I made that suggestion, put your hands on my daughter immediately after I said that. Now there's something wrong with that.
That's your opinion of how it happened. That's okay. But I gave her the opportunity.
I've got it recorded.
Okay. I told her if she wanted to go outside and get her mother, come out and do that, then we could do that. And she stayed on the step but didn't go inside.
You didn't give her a chance to do shit. You closed the gap and put your hands on her arm twice. 3 times, and then the 4th time was when you cuffed her. Let's see ETA on the supervisor.
I don't know.
Can you request it, please?
I certainly can. I know. My corporal is 2 minutes away.
Corporal,
Yes.
I want a sergeant or better.
Our sergeant is also on the way. Corporal is our first line supervisor, and she's going to be first on scene, but our sergeant is also on the way.
And who's your corporal on duty tonight?
Corporal Padre.
Say again, I'm a little far away.
Corporal Padre. Padro.
Thank you. And who's the sergeant on duty?
Tronco.
All this because somebody called you with no specific details of anything.
Okay.
Got an 18 USC 1983 lawsuit. Violation of rights under color of law. Because there is no law. You call it so far outside the lines, it's not funny. What crime did you suspect my daughter of that you had to lay your hands on her? Why is she still... Are you still in handcuffs, Ursel? So why is my daughter still in handcuffs? What crime is she accused of committing? That's not a crime. That's called self-preservation and protection. That's called self-defense. So if my daughter would have whacked you in the gonads, that would have been perfectly fine. And she was about ready to. We taught our daughter to stand up for her rights. We're both veterans.
I can appreciate that.
No, you can't. Because you're violating the Constitution as we speak. And have been within 10 minutes of arriving.
Okay.
And if y'all want to ask, I did have a pocket knife on me, and I disarmed myself and left it in the basket of my scooter before when I saw you sitting there.
Appreciate that.
It's technically not a weapon, it's a tool, but
That's our corporal right there.
Officer Hughes, a male officer, escalated on a 12-year-old minor because she refused to walk off with him alone. Officer Hughes here thinks it's okay to take women around out of sight, especially 12-year-old female children. That is totally pedo-creepo. My daughter felt as such and refused to go with him.
Okay.
So, what does he do? He puts his hands on her and handcuffs her for no crime.
Okay. Did he request that she move?
She wanted to have a parent present during any and all questioning,
Okay.
which she has the right to do. A right.
So,
Texas constitutional rights, parental rights. They are allowed here in the state of Texas. Officer Hughes seems to think that it don't matter if someone's 12 or 82 or 102. Rights don't matter.
okay. So, we do have cameras, and they are recording the whole time. So I understand that you said you did not feel comfortable with him alone with her.
No, she didn't.
She didn't.
I didn't say a word. I let her speak for herself.
Okay, I believe
My
the
wife
remark-
let her speak for herself.
Okay, I believe the remark you said was pedo-creepo.
This wasn't just an incident. It was a powerful reminder of how easily our rights can be violated, even when you're just a child. A 12-year-old girl handcuffed, treated like a criminal, while her parents begged for respect and justice. If those sworn to protect and serve can act like this, then who's really being protected? What do you think about how the police handled this situation? Leave your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos about civil rights and real accountability.